Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to compare two LEMFO watches. In the left we have the LEMFO KC05. In the right we have the LEMFO M1. Both of these smartwatches are support GPS, or it has a screen. It has a touch screen. So the KC05, it supports Android 7.1.1. It has a 1.39-inch screen. It supports GPS, Bluetooth 4.0, and it has a 1 GB RAM. It has a built-in 5 megapixel camera. So the camera is in the side, which we can see here, 5 megapixel. It has a GPS, navigation, it has Wi-Fi, 610 mAh battery, and it has many different function. For example, heart rate monitor, pedometer, multi-sport, and it has a GPS option, app download, browser, music, step counter, multi-sport, find phone, calendar, record, play store, map, etc. And the KC05 support many different languages. For example, German, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Russian, Hindi, Arabic, etc. So we can see the KC05. It's built from iron, plastic, and it has rubber bands. The screen is very large, very useful, and we can see we have two buttons in the side. One is to shut off and one is for back. If you press and hold, you can see you can change the interface. So basically, how you like it, you can change it. We have here an option to put your photo, or you can download more interfaces. In the left we have the notification part. Up we have a taskbar, which is showing the time, day, Bluetooth, the SIM card. So we don't want to forget to mention this watch supports SIM card as well, so you can insert a SIM card here. We have the date and the percentage of battery. Here we have more options. For example, airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location, do not disturb, and many other options. We have the cleaner, the music control is here as well, and the last we have weather. Down we have the sport sport averages. So here we can see how many steps and distance we made. We have the day of the week here. In the bottom we have the settings, so you can put your weight, height, and work target. We have steps, distance, and burned calories. Right, in the right side we have the menu. So we have contacts, phone, message, settings, browser, downloads, calendar, clock, camera, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate monitor, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, map, assistant, App Store, and we have the Messenger and Instagram, which we downloaded. So as we told you, you can connect with Wi-Fi, and you can go to App Store, download how many apps and which app you like, so you can use the app normally as you do in your phone. So this was the KC05, and next we have the M1. So the M1, it has more sport style, it looks more sporty. Same, it's made by iron, plastic, and it has rubber bands. The M1 support SIM card as well. It has Bluetooth. You can make call or get call from someone. You can talk in the M1, same as the KC05. Both of them support GPS, so they both have GPS and navigation. They are waterproof. Same, they have the heart rate monitor and many different options. The M1 has a 1.3-inch screen, so it has a smaller screen than the KC05. It has a built-in GPS, compass, and barometer. If you like to go hiking, if you like to walk for a long time, you can use this function in many different situations. It has a micro SIM card port, which is hidden. It looks very good because it doesn't bother you. Here you can take off the band and you can insert the SIM card. In both of these smartwatches, you can make a call, and after you connect with Bluetooth with your phone, you can get a call or call someone else. As I told you, the M1 is made from iron, plastic, and rubber bands. You can clearly see the screen is not the same. It's smaller. It does have small screen, and you can see, same as the KC, just press and hold, you can change the interfaces. In the left we have the sport mode. We have indoor run, outdoor running, riding, climbing, marathon, and we have record, which we can see the data of sport mode. Here we have the taskbar, same, different theme. We have Bluetooth, vibration, settings, and more options, for example browser. We have brightness, gesture, airplane mode, alarm, etc. In the bottom or down we have records for sport. In the right we have the menu, so we have contacts, dialer, call logs, message, notification, pedometer, sport mode, heart rate, sedentary, alarm, music player, find phone, remote, capture, Bluetooth, calculator, timer, stopwatch, motion, theme, app, QR code, and we have settings in the bottom. You can clearly see the KC05. It has a better screen. We can see in the M1 from the light and from the phone, from the camera, it doesn't look as good as the KC05. So that's a downside of M1. So the KC05 gets a point for the screen. So they both have similar things. They use almost same theme, but you can see the difference. And the KC05, you can use it more in day-to-day basic. The M1 is more for sport and doesn't have a resolution as the KC05 have. So now let's test the heart rate and some of the options that these watches have. So now you can see how it will look in your hand. The KC05 is very comfortable and very useful to use. So now in the menu we have to search for the heart rate, and now let's wait for the result. So here we can see the result, and one of the benefits of KC05 is that the last heart rate is saved, so you can compare with other heart rates. And we have fitness, which we can see here. We have different options, for example, outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor run, ride bike, play basketball, football, ping pong, badminton, rope skipping, and you can see the records in the right. So for example, you press outdoor run, go, and now everything will be here. The timer, the distance, heart rate, burn calories, time, and the kilometer as well will be shown here. So you have everything here as well. So the KC is used for many different things, but you can use it for fitness or run as well. Now let's test the M1 and let's see the difference between two of these watches. Now we have the M1 here. Let's swipe and let's go down to the heart rate. Press go, and now let's wait for the measurement. So the result, it's fast in both of the watches. The KC05 for me works pretty good. You can see the last measurement or the last result, and you can compare them without going in the app and watching the data there. Now let's see the apps of these smartwatches, what they use and how they look. So here we have both of the watches and both of the apps that these watch use. So we have WeWatch 2 for the KC05, and we have the Smart Time for the M1. So let's go and open up the WeWatch 2. In the first page we have the name. In the status we have the connection. Now it's not connected. And we have the percentage of battery here. It will show here as well. In health we have the steps, calories, distance and the minutes. Here as well we have the heart rate and the toppest and the lowest heart rate. In the settings we have step count, lookup device, music control, auxiliary input, send files, raise the screen, silent mode, app notification, and we have get support, feedback, software updates and the instruction in the end. So you can see the WeWatch 2, which is used by the KC05, doesn't have many options. It's a very simple app and it will show you the basic of the KC05. On the other hand we have Smart Time, which is used by the M1. So the Smart Time app is it has more option. So you can see in the first page we have the activities for today. First we have activity goal, so you can see all the goals is in the first place. We have walk, run and stand by. So we have 10,000 steps of goal, and we have here the steps that we did today. You can go here and see the statistic for today, how many calories you burned, how many distance you made, the time, status, and you can do a difference between the one day and weeks or month. We have heart rate. So here is after you connect it, it's gonna show you the last heart rate here. The lowest and the highest heart rate will be right here. So same as activities, you can go here and see. The last for the today's activity we have bed or sleep. So here's gonna show how many hours and minutes you've been in the sleep. Here we have deep sleep, light sleep and awake. It's gonna show you with hour and minutes all here. We have three different colors for deep sleep, light sleep and awake. So you can see everything here. Next we have device. So here you can add a new device. In the top you can see press here and it will automatically turn your Bluetooth on and it will connect with smartwatch. In the device port we have anti-lost and SMS notification. In other settings we have send internet, alarm, age-hour monitor, alarm vibration, backlight, smart camera, and notification settings. So here are most of the useful options you'll need. Here is the profile page, so you can see you have your name here, you have your activity goal, which you can change as you know. We have more settings and 5-year repair and help if you need to read about the app. So clearly you can see the app, the smart time, is more complicated, if you like to call that. It has more option. If you like more option, this app is for you. I like more option, but for me the KC05 works pretty good. I like KC05 more. If you're more sporty guy, you can go with M1. If you want to use more the watch and the apps, you can go for the KC05. So there was the two of the apps which we see today. So guys, this was all for the LEMFO KC05 versus the LEMFO M1. If you like this video, press the subscribe button, hit the like button, turn the notification on. If you have any question, feel free to ask and comment down below. See you in the next video.